What's up everyone? I'm showcasing a new script. It's called Media Fire Comet Hash. Without further ado, let's hope in game.to test. Let's execute it here, script in comment section. In this script you need keyboard GUI to use. Infinite yield is optional, but I recommend to use no clip in there because it's so smooth. Now in your keyboard click M to use script. Now click Auto Ammo to proceed. If you don't have keyboard you can search here too. And here you go, enjoy using the script. Don't forget to sub to also click the notification bell for upcoming script.